In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your job title on LinkedIn. Keeping your title accurate ensures your profile reflects your current role and makes it easier for the right people to discover you, whether you're job hunting, networking, or simply keeping your professional presence up to date. We'll go through the process clearly and carefully so you can make this change with confidence and know exactly what to double check along the way. Start by opening LinkedIn on your computer or mobile device. From the home page, head to your profile by selecting your profile icon or clicking Me, then choosing View Profile. This takes you to the page where all your professional details live, including your headline, experience, and education, and it's the hub for keeping everything accurate. We'll focus on the Experience section where your positions are listed. Scroll down until you see Experience. Look for the small pencil icon either near the section header or beside the specific role you want to adjust, and select it to edit. If you've held multiple positions, choose the exact job entry that needs updating so the change applies to the right role. Opening the edit screen for that position gives you access to the fields you'll revise. At the top of the edit window, locate the title field. Click into it, remove the current title, and type your new one. Keep your title clear, professional, and consistently capitalized. Using familiar industry wording helps with searchability, so recruiters, colleagues, and potential clients can instantly understand what you do. Avoid overly creative phrasing that might confuse keyword searches. Aim for the title people in your field typically use. Before saving, take a moment to review the surrounding details. Confirm the company name is spelled correctly, verify your start and end dates, and check the location. Small errors can affect how your role links to the official company page and how it appears across LinkedIn, so this quick review is worth it. If you want to add context, use the optional description box beneath the title and company fields. In 1 or 2 concise sentences, summarize your responsibilities, the teams or clients you support, or measurable outcomes you drive. Keep it specific and focused on clarity rather than buzzwords, making it easy for someone skimming your profile to understand your impact fast. When everything looks right, select Save. LinkedIn will update your profile and return you to the main view. Scroll back to Experience and confirm your new title is visible and spelled exactly as intended. For consistent personal branding, consider matching this title across your resume and other professional profiles so people recognize you across platforms. That's how to change your job title on LinkedIn. If this walkthrough helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.